Alright, we're back with part two for the second project in cloud computing. Um, and here we have the zip file for all the documents within our web folder in from part one. And so here we're going to upload it to the AWS or Amazon Web Service. And so we're just going to pull up the AWS. And then we're going to sign into the console. And so now we're going to host our website on a host a static website. And so if you want to create a new website, you click new website. But I already have a running website. And so I'm going to go to this, and here's the code that I have now, but I've edited the code since I published it. And so we're gonna upload the new source code, which is from the zip folder. If I can find it. There we go. And so it's going to parse the files, and it's just going to upload the new code to my domain, and it's going to upload and overwrite, which is fine. We have a failed. That's fine. It's not a big deal. And so, yeah, it updated it updated my code, and so nothing too crazy there. And that, I mean, that's all there is to hosting on the AWS. It's pretty simple. You just upload your source code and you get your domain name, and you can check out your site. Like this is what I have so far. I think I'm done with my code, and it's got the links to all my team members websites. Yeah, this is all their websites. It's got a link to my professional portfolio. It's my LinkedIn. This is our homepage. This is the team's homepage. And then you got our team page. And each of those links to their webpage. Then you have to find out more, which is another link to my LinkedIn. This GCP website. My website is currently hosted on the AWS, but the cloud heads created a GCP website as well because it's part of our Project 2 requirements. And so this is just a button that links to our website that's being hosted on the GCP. And this is just a website about Star Wars that has nothing to do with our team, but pretty cool stuff. And then each of these is also hosted on the GCP. And then down here you have the home, blog, security, about, and other, and each of those links to different things. And then you have Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and GitHub. And each of those links to my Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, and LinkedIn. So a pretty basic website, nothing too crazy. But other than that, I mean, I can't think of anything. So yeah, that's how you upload your code to the AWS. And that is the end of part 2.